Okay, this program is called Really Trusted. It's really good for creating certain forms that I need when I'm either with a client or operating remotely. In particular, the disclosure of expected remuneration when we get an offer on a listing. So it's only really for listings. So every time we get a new listing, we have to input the details of that listing. So here's the website. Just going to log in. Just going to go down the bottom here where it says manage your listings. You'll see some older ones already populated in here. Create listing. Just put in the address. So this one is the listing on Nursery. You have to put in the customer's name, which is the seller, which you can just take right off the title. I know who it is. And then you just got to dig up their email address, which will be in Top Producer, I hope. I may have already given it to you in another form, but yeah, there it is. Copy it. And paste it in there. So if there's more than one seller, naturally I would have put another name in there and another email address. The commission, you don't really have to calculate it. It's already been sort of figured out here. This is almost always going to be the case. So really don't need anything to do anything there. Submit. That's it.